but always there's this label saying that Ginesh Kasarvalli art cinema ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂತ. ಸೊ ಈ ಸಲ ನೀವು ಆರ್ಟಿಸ್ಟ್ ಮಧ್ಯೆ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ. ನಿಮ್ಗೇನು ಆರ್ಟ್ ಸಿನಿಮಾ ಮೇನ್ ಸ್ಟ್ರೀಮ್ ಸಿನಿಮಾ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಯು ಥಿಂಕ್ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಗುಡ್ ಸಿನಿಮಾ ಆರ್ ಸಮಥಿಂಗ್ ಲೈಕ್?
I don't believe in that categorization for nomenclature. For me, there are only two kinds of films: good cinema and bad cinema. That's it. See, these categorizations are done by the critics so that they can pinpoint the films.
So, ನಿಮ್ಮ career-ಅಲ್ಲಿ like all directors are seen by one specific film, and I think Ghataschraddha is one of them. ನಮಗೆಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ತಿಳಿದಂಗೆ ಅದು ನ್ಯಾಷನಲ್ ಅವಾರ್ಡ್ ಬಂದರೂ ಅದು ಇಂಟರ್ನ್ಯಾಷನಲಿ ಅಷ್ಟು ಸ್ಕ್ರೀನ್ ಆಗಿರಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಅನಿಸುತ್ತೆ. ಈಗ ಮೊನ್ನೆ ವೆನಿಸ್ ಫಿಲ್ಮ್ ಫೆಸ್ಟ್, ಇಂಟರ್ನ್ಯಾಷನಲ್ ಫಿಲ್ಮ್ ಫೆಸ್ಟಲ್ಲಿ ರೆಸ್ಟೋರ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಇದಾಗಿದೆ. ಅದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಏನಾದರೂ ಹೇಳಿ.
Ghataschraddha is my first film. ತುಂಬ ಜನ that's my best film ಅಂತಾರೆ, which I don't agree on. I consider Thai Saheba and Kansemba Kudure are my real, major works. But now that it is digitized and it's a new life at Bandirodu, so they are taking it all around the world. They have screened it in Venice and then Nantes and
New York.
Recently
New York.
And many places. So I'm quite happy that film is getting to be seen now after 50 years of its making.
It's like getting a second innings, second life of its
right. All those films which are restored, not just my film, whether it is Tampu or Ishanu of Harivamsham Sharma, Tampu of Arvindan, it's a kind of a second life.
So coming back to your genuine philosophy and intention of choosing literary works from Kannada literature, I think you are privileged to have amongst you K.V. Subbanna and Ananthamurthy and all of them, all from this belt of Shivamogga. I think one of my friends said Shivamoggadalli Visheshana anta kelta idru neero madeno anta. I think you've taken these literary works, which obviously are classics in Kannada literature, and you've chosen stories that you cinematically portray through your visual language.
But Shivamogga, I am from Tirthalli, and Tirthalli is a small town, taluka town, from where two of our major writers have come from, Ananthamurthy and Kuvenpu, both are Gyanpith winners. And also some of the stalwarts of Karnataka politics are from there, Pradhananjappa, Gopal Rodu, Justice Ramajoyce, Justice Sundaresh brother. So I think that way, I don't know what makes Tirthalli so significant. There are many important people who play a major role in Indian Karnataka politics and Karnataka literature are from Tirthalli. And one of the reasons why I picked up all these literary works on Pandre, I have been greatly influenced by Kannada literature. My worldview has been shaped by Kannada literature, and even this theme, the centrality of women, I would attribute it to the characters created by Kuvenpu and Kanad. It is Saraswatis and Parvatis and Manjulas, our characters have shaped my perception of women. So in that sense, I am grateful to Kannada literature. Of the 50 films that I have made so far, 14 are from Kannada literary works. Not all of them are well-known writers. Some of them are popular writers like Nadi Souza, and whose work Dvipa is based on his work. It's a very popular, but a serious writer, but in a popular genre. But I also done films based on a short story by T.N. Sitaram. We all know T.N. Sitaram as a playwright. Now everybody knows T.N. Sitaram as a serial maker. But that way, barring 3-4 major writers from Kannada, Anant Murthy, Yashwant Chittal, Tejasvi, the rest are all. When I picked up Hasina, Banu Mushtaq was not even known in the Kannada literary circle. Now everyone talks about Banu Mushtaq because she has won the Booker Prize. But when I picked up, not many people knew about Banu Mushtaq's literary work.
So I was looking at some clips of Hasina, and I was just remembering translation ಬಗ್ಗೆ Urdu words ತುಂಬಾ ಇದೆ, ಅದನ್ನೇ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬಂದಿದ್ದೀರಾ ನೀವು?
Actually, see, the whole the Hasina story ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ, ಅದೊಂದು ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ಡ್ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ನಡೆಯುತ್ತೆ, ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಕಮ್ಯುನಿಟಿ. ಆ ಟ್ರಾಜಿಡಿ ಆಫ್ ಹಸೀನಾ ಬೇರೆ ಓಪನ್ ಸೊಸೈಟಿ ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ ದಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಬಿಕಮ್ ಎ ಟ್ರಾಜಿಡಿ. ಈ ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ ಸೊಸೈಟಿ ಆಗಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಇಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಬಿಕಮ್ ಎ ಟ್ರಾಜಿಡಿ. ಸಮಥಿಂಗ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಯಶವಂತ್ ಚಿತ್ತಾಲ್ರ ಆಬೋಲಿನ ಇದ್ದಾಗ. ಆಬೋಲಿನ ಟ್ರಾಜಿಡಿ ಯಾಕೆ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಇಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಪನ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ ಎ ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಲಿಟಲ್ ಕಮ್ಯುನಿಟಿ. Otherwise, in a majoritarian, people won't have even noticed it. So this happens in a Urdu-speaking Muslim family, Muslim community, and they don't want this to spread outside their community. Otherwise, it will bring bad name to them. So, how do I give a hint to audience that they are not Kannada speaking Muslims, they are not, this is a minority community and they want to keep everything safe, secret. How do I suggest, hint right through the film? So that's why I evolved this strategy wherein I use a lot of Urdu words in the dialogue.